Just what is denial of service attack, ma'am?
Have you come across moments on the internet when a particular website, which opens quickly on any normal day, doesn't open despite many attempts, and you are unable to, say, look up your exam results, which has just been declassified and put on the web? Besides other factors, it happens because of sudden spurt of interest and everyone clicking on the website link simultaneously. Too much of traffic leading to the machine or the network makes it unavailable. You can also compare it with the traffic jam on the road when there are too many cars using it at the same time. This is an example when the website is not available for its own inadequacy. However, the denial of service or DOS attack is launched by maliciously directing traffic to a server hosting the website and flooding it with requests and making it inadequate as a result. As per the protocol, these requests have to be authenticated by the network or server, which finds them having invalid return address. As a result, the server gets busy in waiting for sending the authentication approval to the invalid address before closing the connection. The attacker continues to send more and more such authentication messages. The machine or the network can't handle the traffic more than what is the capacity it was built for, and it goes down and remains unavailable to its legitimate users till the attack lasts. It is exactly like a situation when you want to confirm to the sender the receipt of the right goods you had asked for, but the given return address is invalid. You would wait for closing the page until you have sent the confirmation. When more than one computer is used to flood the machine or the network, it is called distributed denial of services or DDoS attack. This type of attack is carried out as it is impossible to stop so many attackers by blocking at the same time. There are several variants of DOS attacks such as Smurf attack, SYN attack, ping of death attack, teardrop attack, Fraggle attack.
So, we need to be aware of such mischief too, ma'am?
Definitely, Rajesh. But wait, there are more. Have you heard of ransomware?